I have been waiting for this bag. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is SALISA. I'm addicted to luxury goods, accessories, makeup, skincare, self-care, and not going to rehab soon. Today, if you have seen the title, and if you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, you know that we have a bag unboxing. And because it's the holiday season, we get so many cute things from Hermes. One is this on the bag, and two, we have like a cutest postcard from Hermes as well. Basically a gift to myself. I have been waiting for this bag for so long. Like honestly, I saw this on the runway, screenshot the photo on the runway, sent it to my SA. I think this was like last year, but at that time obviously there's like no stock in Thailand. It wasn't really released yet, but oh my god, I cannot wait to show you this. But before we go into the story time of this bag, I would love to give a shout out to Songmont. This year is actually my last clip of the year. I'm getting really busy with my wedding. If you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, my wedding is coming soon, so I'm super busy, and with my own brand as well. I really want to give a shout out to this Songmont Your bowling bag because it is so easy to use, and I'm actually not using the strap that comes with this. They also actually have a crossbody strap that you can adjust, but I got this extra strap that is kind of an accessory, but it is super cute when you put this on your shoulder. You can just like carry it like this as well, and it hangs as like a cute accessory, so it gives your bag that extra something. But what I love about Songmont is their thought into the function of the bag. In front, there's this magnetic clasp, and it fits perfectly for receipts, cards, parking ticket. And on the inside, there is one pouch on this side where I also put like vouchers and whatnot. On the other side, there is this zipper pouch, which is really, really easy to use. And I can just like close it if I need some security. And inside, it fits so much. Right now, I have my Calvi card holder that fits a ton. There's two sides to this, and you can also add more stuff on this side. And I have my car keys, I have my AirPods, I have my content creating devices, I have my hand cream in here, some lippies, some small wet wipes, and I just throw everything in there, and there's still plenty of space left. Let me just stand to show you, like this is like my total look. When I wear this brown bag, I feel like it gives my monochromatic or very neutrals outfit that extra something. So I'll just hold it like this to make it really, really cute. And I've actually got a lot of compliments with this bag. I think it's all because of this strap. It looks like that extra something. Absolutely love this bag. So, story time of this bag. I would say I have been doing the pre-spend for this bag since April, May-ish, because of my Kelly 25 that I got in the beginning of this year. However, my Kelly 25 tube is still not back. It's been to the spa since like June. Because we live in Thailand, they have to ship everything back to Paris. I will definitely come back to update you guys on that when I have my bag. So hopefully beginning of next year, I'm gonna get to use my Kelly 25 because I honestly only use it for like 2-3 months. I sent it back and now it's been like 6 months. So pre-spend, get the bag, use it for 3 months, it's gone. Like, you know, I mean, I don't feel good that I spent so much money to use a bag that I don't get to use, but still, it's good that they are fixing it for free because of the handles. So thank God for that. Okay, sorry, rambling. Story time of this bag. So my pre-spend started in April, May, and I think it was October that my SA actually said, I probably wouldn't be getting this bag this year. Is there anything else I want, like other Birkins or Kellys? Because my pre-spend is kind of like up there already. And I was like, no, I really want this bag. I will wait. I will wait. Even if it comes next year, I will wait. And then, of course, I keep shopping. I go in every month, which I will tell you what my pre-spend is in the next video. And in November, my SA said there's probably no more bags this year. So I kind of gave up. Like honestly, November, December, I kind of gave up. And then December, let me check. December 6th, my SA asked me, are you free to come in tomorrow? And it was like a Saturday, so I'm like, of course I'm free tomorrow. Like, if you're asking me this, honestly, any day I will be free. And then my SA was like, the bag you wanted has arrived. But it's not the exact color that you wanted. So let's just do the unboxing and I'll go into the details of the color. If you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, you probably saw this bag already. So this is not my true first unboxing. It's my second unboxing, but still, unboxing it again, it's just, you know, happiness. Ooh. Okay, ribbons out. This just makes me excited all over again. Here she is, little clochette, and it comes with the book. Can you already guess from the size of this bag? It's not really normal size that you see, right? The handle. It is a Birkin Shoulder or Birkin 29 or Birkin Shoulder Light, whatever you want to call it. It's so pretty. Let me unwrap her. She is the Birkin Shoulder in Ever Color leather in the color Vert Bronze and with palladium hardware. Have you ever seen this color? I haven't seen this color like ever. It leans towards like I'm wearing this black, so it's kind of like a really deep dark gray with greenish brownish undertone. In sunlight you can see like the green, which I'll insert a clip right here, like the undertone green. But in indoor light, like right now I'm sitting by the window, in indoor light it kind of looks like this grayish, a little bit like tinted brown. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so let me show you close up the front, the hardware, the side, the back, the side, and the front. I have never seen this color so beautiful. Like, damn. When I saw it in the store, I was like really second guessing because the color that I originally wanted was like mocha or ebene, like the dark deep brown side. I told my SA I didn't want any of the classic colors like gold or etude because I have the Kelly 25, I have the Kelly Desodeur, I have the Dance, but I don't want to have similar colors. And I know that Hermes makes beautiful neutral shades, so I asked my SA that I want neutral. Anything neutral, not gold or etude. Yeah. And of course my SA delivered. It's so pretty. It has 4 feet the same, but I already bought like the silicone feet to protect it. And I am actually a bit concerned because the front looks good, but the back, can you see like this crease right here? My SA told me to add like a pillow into it so that it kind of stretches out. But if I press it out like this, it's gone. But if I hold it up, can you see this stretch, this line right here? It's only happening on this side, but not this side. And of course I want the bag, so I don't want to say no, because I see other people has creases too, because this is ever color leather. It is like very soft, and the insert that comes with this bag is just this plastic thingy that does not do much to the bag. But let's put the clochette on as well. So this is what it looks like with the clochette on. Oh, it's so pretty. It's like really pretty. So let's go into the specifications of this bag. This is the Birkin Shoulder 29, which is this part is 29, and the height is 16, and on the side is 14. Honestly, it looks smaller in person, but this kind of solves all my problems. The 30 was too big for me, and I feel like the corners were hitting a lot of things, even though there's only 1 centimeter less. But because of the height of the bag and the width of the bag, I feel like it's a lot smaller when I am holding the crook of my arm. And the problem of the 25 is the handle drop. So this is like perfect for the handle drop, and it actually fits on my shoulder. It's not comfortable at all because, as you can see, it hits right on top. But you know, if I need it, if you know, quickly, I need to do something quickly, that's totally fine. It holds, like it's fine, not the end of the world. And also the weight, because this is a lot lighter than the Birkin 30, maybe because this is also ever color leather. My Birkin 30 was Togo leather, so it was really heavy when I put stuff in. But yes, this one is the perfect weight because when I put stuff in, it is not too heavy. So here's a closer look of the bag. On the inside, there is one pocket right here that is quite big. I can easily put like my iPhone in, but it's like on a slanted, so you can see like the sizing reference. In the back, there is also the one pocket right here, but this is like the size of a card that I don't think I am going to use. It would just be, you know, because this Birkin is open, the flap is kind of on top of it, so I don't think I'll be using this much. And as of now, I do not have an insert for this bag, so I do have this insert from my like previous Chanel bag. This is actually the mocha color that I was talking about that I really wanted. It's not very prominent in terms of color difference, but this is just more on the brown side. This is more on like the greenish gray cool tone side. And so I have in here my wallet, my content creating device. I have my pouch that fits everything. I have my wet wipes. I have my AirPods. I have my sunglasses that I'm just gonna throw in here. Plenty of space. As you can see, my phone fits very easily. I can easily fit more stuff in here. Surprisingly, this one that I have from a Chanel bag, it is the exact same width of the Birkin Shoulder. However, when I put this in, the height is a bit too high. It kind of hits the flap, and I'm just gonna use it for now because I want to protect, you know, the bag on the inside. So for this bag, I actually also bought 2 twillies. For the handles, I actually am not sure how I'm gonna do this big handle, but I think I will manage. I wanted to find something like green tone, but with also black, not too colorful. So this is the one that I got. It has like a green at the end and navy, a bit of black, and all the other colors. So I am just gonna try to do this and see whether or not if I can. So I did it, both front and back, but honestly, now that I put the twillies on, I don't think I love the look of twillies on a Birkin shoulder. I think on the Birkin like 25 and 30, it looks kind of cute, but because the handle is so long, I really don't think I like this like at all, like when I put it on. But I think it is good to protect the handles because, you know, I have the experience of the Kelly 25 handles, but I don't think I like this at all. Maybe I'll try to use it for a day and see. But you know, I don't know. What do you guys think? You tell me. I don't know. I feel really weird looking at this right now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I hope you enjoy this bag and review as much as I do, and I hope to see you in the next one. Happy holidays. Bye.